Hi, so we all scroll LinkedIn, and while scrolling LinkedIn, we come across some like very interesting posts. So let's say, for example, I'm scrolling LinkedIn, I came across the profile of Eric, and I like the work that they are doing. So I'll let's say click on their website, check out what they are doing, and probably let's say I would like to save it because it's useful to me and but not useful to me right now. Let's say I'm occupied in some work or some stuff, something like that. So I cannot check it out right now, but I would like to save it. So the way we can use here future tools extension is I just need to select Control and S on my browser, and this data will get saved to my Google Sheet. As you can see, the green tick was there, it means it got saved. How can I check that Google Sheet and if it got saved really? So as you can see, this is the time right now, and I just saved this website demandcollective.io, which was this website that we just found here in the edX bio. Yeah, so that's how we can save this. Just press the Control S. If you are on Mac, if you are on Windows, then we have a different shortcut, Alt S. That's all you have to do. And in case you like to use cursor, which I would not suggest ideally, then you can quickly open this extension and let's say whatever the if you want, in case you want to add a note, you can add a note here and let's say click on save later, and this data will get appended to the Google Sheet. That's how simple it is.